Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So, today we will start our new playlist which is machine learning. Okay, so even you can access our previous playlist which is about your game development. The second playlist is about your app development. Then we did some Python project also, and now we started our new playlist which is machine learning and artificial intelligence. Okay, so first thing, what is the meaning of machine learning? Why we are using the machine learning? So first of all, I will explain you what is coding. See why we are using the coding, because nowadays we have lots of devices. Device in the sense, we have our laptop, we have our computer, we have our mobile phones, right? So if you want to give any instruction to your computer or to your laptop, you can give, but with the help of your instruction, right? And this is instruction we will give in the form of coding. Okay, so let's start our today's video which is about your machine learning. So why we are using the machine learning? Nowadays we have devices like Alexa, we have Siri. So here whatever you will say like hey Alexa, please play this song, or hey Alexa, I want to do this thing. So what is happening behind that? Whatever you are speaking, so, with the help of your speak recognition, that will translate into machine, and based on your query, machine will give you the output, right? Nowadays, we have our automatic car drivers, right? So, all this thing you can create with the help of your machine learning. So, here we have to make our machine more intelligent, okay? With the help of some training, we have to make our machine intelligence. We have to give the intelligence to our machine, okay? So now I will explain you which platform you have to access if you want to learn the machine learning, okay? So as you can see in this project, what we have, if I will click on this flag, so whatever dog we have, it will recognize as a dog. Whatever cat you have, that will recognize as a cat. So see, this is cat. So that will recognize like a, this is dog or this is cat, like that. And based on that, it will change the position. See, this is the cat. So you will get cat here. You will get dog here, like that. Okay. Now, see, if you want to access your machine learning, you need to just search for machine learning for the kids. Press your enter button. You will get this link. So I will give you this link into your description box. You can just copy that. Okay. Over here, we need to click on get started. It will ask you three things. So if you are a first time user, you need to click on sign up. Over here, click on a parent or teacher. Now click on sign up. So it will ask you, you have to create one username, your email address, and then you need to just click on create account. Okay. Or else if you are already registered here, so you can directly log in. It will just show you what is your username. You have to put your password and click on login. We have third option which is try it out. Try it out means without creating your username and password, you can create your project. Okay. So over here you will get this screen, and once you will log in, you will also get a same screen. Okay. Over here we need to click on add a new project. Now, it will ask you what is your project name, which recognition type you will select here. Suppose I want to write my project name as, now I will classify girl and boy. Okay. So here I want to write girl and boy. So we have to give some image here. Based on that image, it will classify who is girl and who is boy. Okay. Now recognition type. Here we have four: text, images, numbers, sound. But in our project, what we have a need images, because based on image we have to classify this, right? Now we need to just click on create button. See, now what will happen? It will create one project for you, which is girl and boy recognition type as a image. So we need to just click on this box. Here it will show you three options: train, learn and test, and make. So train means what? Suppose if you have your stage performance like dance or singing, so first you have to give training to yourself, right? So here also, if we want to create a machine, so for that machine you have to give some training. So we have to click on train. Over here it will ask you what is your label, so you need to click on add new label. Our first label is girl, click on add. Our second label is boy, so you need to click on boy. See, click on add now. So here we have two labels, girl and boy. Now it will show you three things. Either you can use your webcam, you can capture the photo, or you can draw, or you can use your URL, or else we have a next option, directly we can drag and drop. So what we have to do now, we will open one new browser like this. We will minimize this one also. So you have to adjust this little bit like this. Now here we will search for first boy, or else we have first girl. So we will search for girl. Press the enter button, go to your images. Search for girl images. So see, we have lots of image. So we need to just drag and drop like this. So this is my first image. This one is your second image. This one is the third. Suppose I want to add this one also fourth. So you need to add at least 6 to 7 images here. This one is the fifth, sixth. I want to add this one, 7. Same, we will search for boy image. Scroll down here. So here we have boy. So once you will scroll down, you will get some boy images. So suppose I want to add this image. This one is the sixth. You can add any boy image. Even if you are a girl, so your image you can add inside the girl. And if you are a boy, so your image you can add inside the boy tab. So we can add lots of images. Okay. And okay. Now I added all these images, right? Okay. After that, what you have to do, you need to just go to back to your project. See, already we did the train. Train means you have to collect some example of what you want, like the computer have to recognize. Now we will just come to learn and test. Here we have to test our model. So what have you done here? We have collected examples of images for computer to use to recognize when images are girl or boy. So we collected 7 example of girl, 8 example of boy, right? So we need to click on train new machine learning model. After that, again we have to go to your project. Now we will start our project. We will click on make a project. Okay. So already see You will get a same screen. Come to back to project, click on make. So once you will click on make, it will give you three options. Use your machine learning model for Scratch or for Python or for App Inventor. So I want we want to open in a Scratch. So you need to click on Scratch. Again, you will get open in Scratch 3. So it means now we have to develop our project in Scratch 3, and over here you will get all the things which is your goal and boy recognition type. So first thing we have to add backdrop. So what we will do, so over here see we have this option which is choose a backdrop, and I want to paint that backdrop. So here we have this square. So whatever color you want, you can just drag your square here. Even you can increase this. From here also you can increase. Now I want one more color in up part. So first change your color, then draw one more square or rectangle. Miss whatever color you want based on your choice, you can add the color. Wait, from here we can just increase this. Now this is perfect. We have two color. Now I want to write this is goal. So first you need to change the color, and this one is the boy. So this is our backdrop, right? After that we have to add some sprite which is girl and boy. So click on choose a sprite, search for boy. So who is boy here? See this one. Now for this boy, we have to add a costume. So how we will add the costume? We can make this boy size as a 20 because now this is perfect. We want to put our boy to 0, 0 position. Or else I want to put here middle. Now you need to just go to your costume. Click on choose a costume. Now here you have to add some girl costume also. Suppose she is girl. Again, Abby is the girl. Again, we can add some girl. See, here we can add some boy also. This paint. So like that, we can add lots of costumes. Okay. Now we have to start the coding part here. So how we will start the coding? So always we have to start from event like a when flag is clicked. Okay. So say when flag is clicked. So what we want to add here? We have to use our machine learning, right? So how we will add that? So when flag is clicked. So this is my event, right? When flag is clicked. So what you want to do here first? We need to go to some position which is -424. So you need to go to motion, go to this position. Then we have to repeat this for every costume, right? So we need to just go to control, take your repeat. Now here we have to add some conditions. Which type of condition? Like if your recognition type is girl, so we have to go to one particular position, and your second condition is for if the recognition type is a boy, so we have to go to one position, right? So here we have to check our condition. So how we will check that? Go to the operator, take this equals to sign. Okay, means if our recognition image, this image, so here we will take our costume image because see we added our costume, right? So we need to just go to images, you will take your costume. If that image is girl, so where you will get a girl? This one. So it has to be say this is girl. So go to the looks, take this say and put it here. Here we can write she's girl or this is girl. This is girl. Okay. After that, what we have to do? So we have to go to in a girl, right? So what is this position? We have to just go to the motion. We will take, go to this position. And then we have to show our sprite. So where we will get the show? Inside the looks. Once you will scroll down, you will get your show block. So we need to just scroll down. Here we have this show. After that, we have to wait for some second. Means we need to just go to the control. We have to wait for suppose 1 second. Then we will broadcast one message. Why? Why we have to broadcast? Because we want our another image, right? So we need to broadcast our message one. Same we have to do for our boy. So no need to write entire thing again. We can just duplicate and here we can add this. So now see, if our recognition image is boy, so instead of girl, we have to add this as a boy. Okay, if this is a boy, so it has to be say this is boy and we need to first change the position. So here we have to add -4 and what is this? -21. So you need to write -21. -21. Okay. Now see if I will run. This is boy. So you will get here. But we have to change the costume because we added lots of costumes. So see, we broadcast this. So when we will receive our broadcast. So where we have this receive, in your event, we have this. When you will receive your broadcast, so what will happen? We have to change our costume, right? So, where is that costume? In the looks, you will get next costume. And again, we have to go to our 0, 0 position, which is go to instead of -4, we will write 0 and 0. Now see if you will run. This is boy. This is boy. This is boy. See, this is recognizing perfectly. This is boy. Wait. Now we can add one real life girl image. Okay. So how we will do that? How we will add our real life girl image? You can download any image. Suppose I will search girl image. Suppose I want to download this image. Save image. Download to. Now come to your Scratch. Okay. What we need to do in a sprite, we need to just go to the costume, upload costume. So here we will take our all files. See, this is the girl image. Open. You will get that. Now, see, this is so small. We have to make it around 50. Now, if you will run, see, this is girl. So you will get girl position, right? So in this way, we can add our image recognition about the machine learning. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. Even in a comment section, Whatever project you want, you can just mention that, and I in the next video you will get that project. Okay. So thank you so much, and please share this video with your family member, with your friends, with anyone. Okay. So thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye. See you in the next video.